Hello guys, today is the 1st of January 2019 and I want to make this first video to help all those of my friends that have always complained bitterly about tagging, they hate people tagging them. I don't know, maybe it's because they don't know how to edit their Facebook account settings so that they can actually monitor those tags that they have and decide on which tag they want to appear on their timeline and which they don't want to appear on their timeline. Personally, I've had issues with tagging in the past also, so I did a little bit of research and found out how I can simply edit my tags so that I only get notification that I was tagged in a particular post, but that particular post will never be added to my timeline until I review the post and accept the tag or I decline the tag. It's as simple as that. So a lot of people that keep saying I should stop tagging them. In fact, I was so surprised by the kind of people I see, commenting on my post. Some are quite angry, some do it very, very politely, and they just say, stop tagging me, and I'm like, so you guys don't even know how to edit your settings, so that you stop seeing people's tags directly on your timeline. Anyway, that's the reason why I'm actually making this video, so I want you to follow me along. So first thing you need to do is go to your settings and you click on your settings and you have all this stuff here: privacy, timeline and tagging. That's what you want to do. Come to timeline and tagging here, and here you can see tagging. Who can see post your tag in your timeline? When you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to your audience, that can, if they already see, then you say review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your timeline. This is where you want to come in. Review post people add to your post before review tags people add to your post before tags appear on Facebook. You want to come to these two things here. These two things here, I think maybe I'll actually have to zoom in. F5, zoom in. Let me see if I can actually zoom in here. So you need to come to this place here. You can see review posts you are tagging before the post appears on your timeline. You click on enable. Once you enable it, what will happen is that when anybody tag you anywhere on Facebook, Facebook will only send you a notification that someone tagged you in a particular post, but we never add that to your timeline. So you can decide to go and check the review and accept or decline it, or you just leave it there and it will never show on your timeline. So your timeline will be as clean as you want it, and you only add those things that you want to be on your timeline into your timeline, as in those posts that are aligned with your business, with your personality, with the things you want to be on your timeline will be added to your timeline, not just anything. So that is how you do. You can see both sides are on. You can see here in my tagging, friends of friends, those who I want to see my tags, friends. Then you can see in my timeline I said who can post on your timeline? Only me. So you edit all these things. It's very simple. Just come to your settings, come to timeline and tagging, and you are good to go. You can see this is not something that should actually make you angry. And sometimes I just wonder, a lot of people don't know about a lot of things on Facebook, and you guys, you are all Facebook groups. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I want to say a big thank you to all my friends, all my followers, all my students, all my mentors online that have helped me in the year 2018, and I'm sure 2019 we are here again, and it's going to be such a fantastic experience for every one of us. And I hope those people I'm tagging, because I love them, so I want them to work with me. I want to work with them. I hope we are going to be working together favorably this year 2019, and we are all going to make a lot of money together. We are going to have a fantastic, personal and business relationship together. And definitely, I will be coming to the United States this year by God's grace, and I hope to meet a lot of you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, Ali. If this video is too fast for you, please, you can just go to the speed and reduce your speed. Probably you are using VLC or whatever. Reduce the speed so that you can watch it step by step. Follow what I've actually taught you in this very short video, and you are good to go. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye bye.